Today, we are going to make this beautiful desk clock that works over the internet. Let's get started. We will be using this ESP8266 microcontroller as the heart of this project. I've had this variant for some time now. It has an FTDI USB chip as opposed to the normally provided CH340 or CP1202, but it is too big compared to the other boards, so I never really used it. Anyways, this clock seems like the best project for it. The display is a MAX7219 controlled LED matrix. This specific one is red color. They come in different colors and sizes, and they are chainable, meaning you can add or remove as much as you want. I have made the box from black translucent acrylic sheets and some hot glue. It creates this nice effect for the display. To fix the display inside the box, I use these L brackets and some screws. All these are readily available in a hardware store for very little cost. To attach the brackets to the display, we will have to take the LED panel out of the module. We then put the screws inside the screw holes and attach the brackets. As you can see, I have put on some electrical tape on the backside to avoid contact with the ESP board after assembling everything. Quickly put the LED panels back on. Now let's connect the wires. The VCC goes to the 3 volt, the GND goes to the G, the DN goes to the D7, the CS goes to the D8, and finally, the CLK goes to the D5. Connect the board to your computer and let's get coding. I have included 2 fonts that I specifically designed for this project. The link to the project is in the description or visit techtalkies.in for all our projects. If your display is not working properly, try changing the hardware type here. Then we set the number of modules here. Make sure to put in your own Wi-Fi username and password here. Change this here to set your time zone and upload. After making sure that everything is working, we can put the display into the box and set it up. There you go, a beautiful internet desk clock. You can also add more information to it, like add a humidity sensor or add a weather update from a weather server. The possibilities are endless. Like this video and subscribe for more.